What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Saturday evening. I was gonna leave town tomorrow but change of plans. Wags and I are leaving right now. We have things to do in Pune and not enough things to do in Bombay for the day, so we're heading back. Quite excited to get home. Let's go. My god, Bombay is so goddamn humid. We're just heading out to KK's place, going back to Pune. I'm quite excited to get home, but I hate the weather here. My goodness, I think it's also going to start raining. So we're going to get out ASAP. It's 6:15, we're leaving in peak traffic hours. Quite hate this. We're only going to get home at about 10:30 maybe. This time Bombay was quite a long trip compared to my usual 1 to 2 days. This was around 4, almost 5 days, taking an Uber back home. Okay, what's up? It's the next day, the day like when the vlog is going up. Sorry, my microphone is dead. I'm using the onboard camera mic. It's disgusting. But we left Bombay and that's when it started pouring in the city. And we were privileged enough to see some of the most incredible lightning ever. Just watch it, like here. And then it was quite a long drive because of that. We reached home at what, I think 10:30, 10:40, 11? Before 11. But it took us a good 4.5 hours. It was quite a tiring drive, and then Wags and I both just passed out. But that's all that yesterday was. It was work at KK's and then getting back home to Pune, and today we got an interesting amount of work lined up here. So make sure to watch this vlog tomorrow. And that's the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.